Do you see this cattle market getting much traction here in the near future? Because the cash market still is pretty flat out there in the country.
Yeah, cash has been pretty flat. It ended up the week better than what we had expected at the beginning of last week. I think last week on Monday we were looking at 96 and 97. We worked our way back to about 99 to 1, and that was a pretty positive development. However, we are kind of right back up here. We had a nice relief rally last week, and we're back up at resistance for that December contract, which is maybe where a lot of the volume is. 106 to 107 was the top end of the range after breaking down on the back of that Tyson fire. So I think that's going to be a pretty big roadblock unless we get cash significantly higher to break the market out above the range. So ultimately, looking for things to settle into a little bit of a range. On the bottom side for that December contract, 102 to 103. So we're going to be trading that trend, which is sideways, until we get some fundamental news to break us out or break us down. We could get that Friday afternoon. We do have a cattle on feed report, so potentially we see some position squaring. But speaking of position squaring, the funds, they're short about 6,000 contracts. They are very rarely short to flat live cattle contracts. They typically have a little bit longer position on, so there is some powder for them to add down here.